The redesigned 2019 Ford Ranger Crew Cab earns good ratings in all but one of the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's crashworthiness evolutions, as well as superior rating for front crash prevention. A marginal headlight rating, however, keeps the pickup from qualifying for a top safety pick award. The redesigned 2019 Ford Ranger Crew Cab earns good ratings in all but one of the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's crashworthiness evolutions, as well as superior ratings for front crash prevention. A marginal headlight rating, however, keeps the pickup from qualifying for a top safety pick award. The Ranger was last sold in the US as a 2011 model in regular cab and extended cab versions. The 2019 Ranger is available as a crew cab called the SuperCrew and as an extended cab called the SuperCab. IIHS only evaluated the crew cab version. The Ranger earns good ratings in 5 crashworthiness evolutions. These include the driver's side small overlap front, moderate overlap front, side, roof strength, and head restraint tests. It earns an acceptable rating in the passenger side small overlap front test. In that test, the passenger survival space was maintained reasonably well, but forces on the right lower leg indicated a risk of injury. The pickup comes with a standard front crash prevention system that earns a superior rating in IIHS tests. It avoided a collision in the 12 mile per hour test and reduced its speed by an average of 25 miles per hour in the 25 mile per hour test. The system has a forward collision warning component that meets the criteria set by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The Ranger falls short of top safety pick award because it earns only a marginal headlight rating for each of its 3 available headlight options. Combined with its other ratings for crashworthiness and front crash prevention, an acceptable headlight rating would have earned the pickup a top safety pick award.